Hello again, I'm back on the Vivaro project. It's probably the hottest day in June, so far anyway. If you saw the last video you'd have seen the windows go in, and I do like how on a black van from some angles you can't always tell there's a window there, so it might be helpful for the stealth side of it. Not so much on the passenger side. As you can see with the slider, it makes it a bit more obvious. Let's take a look inside. I've already put some stick pins in there, and you can see where the carpet is around the window. I'm just going to get the insulation in up there first, and then I'm going to continue with the carpet fitting. Okay, that's the roof insulation done, as you can see. And I've also done the side panels with the acoustic foam as well. I've put a section in both sides and also stuffed the gaps with the recycled bottle wool. And the carpet lining's done around the edges. You can probably see better now how tidy that looks. Where there's a bit of overspray there, that comes off easily with a bit of white spirit of all things. Don't go mad, but that comes off easily with a bit of white spirit. So, yeah. I'm glad with how that looks. The rest of the carpet line is done around there as well, and over here there's a little bit of overspray in places that I need to get off, but happy with how that looks. And next job, I'm just going to get that side panel in this side so I can mark out where I want to cut the hole for the window. Okay, I've had the side panels in the van. I've marked myself out a little window for the driver's side, and I'm going to have to carpet at least on the front section both sides of that panel because you can see it through the window. That's the panel carpeted where it meets the inside of the van, up against the wall if you like. So this side I just need to cut that section out now, and then sort out what I'm lining on this side. And I'm thinking of going with cladding now because it's a flat panel. It should look quite nice, I think, cladded, but I'm still in two minds. And that's the floor insulation down. I like this gold insulation. It's got some decent bit of foam, not loads obviously, but for a low roof van it gives us a bit of floor insulation. And I'm going to pop the floor panels back in now. That's the floor in, and although it's got a few bits and bobs like this, little places where I've had to grind out the screws that were fixed, stuck in place, it's still in good condition. It's obviously not being a builder's van. Very nice flooring, and as I'm using the laminated flooring, that'll cover up any little bits and bobs like that. No point wasting timber. Yeah, so the floor's done. I'm just putting the side panel in, and then I'm going to get some more insulation in behind it and fix it in place. Okay, I've added the extra insulation in now. I've used a bit of the spray glue just to keep it up in place while I get the panel in the right place. So I'm just gonna off that up to the side, check it all fits right, and then we'll get that screwed on. I've offered up the side panel and it didn't fit. I had to take a little bit off the top edge, and yeah, due to the extra couple of mils of the insulation I imagine, and the carpet of course at the top. Yeah, so I just need to smooth the edge of that now. I've checked it fits. So that's the extra insulation added on the passenger side. I've given the panel a little trim because they never seem to go too well around the edges there, and that one will fit nicely now. That one all done as well. So we're getting there. So that's the 2 panels fitted. I've still got to do the insulation on the sliding door and the back doors and carpet line those. Now I know what I'm doing with the panels. I'm cladding them, so I've been and bought a load of stuff. So I'll be cladding those, and I'll be doing the panels in the same carpet as I've done the rest of the van in, because I was considering grey carpet on these panels, in which case I would have used grey carpet on those. So yeah, I've been shopping. I've got lots of cladding and I've got the flooring, so that'll be on the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one.